ọdịnala bụ eziokwu, ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ. Ị ma na o nwere olu na-eti mkpu na-asị, ụmụ Igbo chigharịa, ụmụ Igbo chigharịa. Kwa mbọsị ọ na-eti, n'ụtụtụ n'abalị ọ nọ na nkụzi. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu, onye ọma na oraifite, onye mgbasa ozi, ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu, onye manije eme ọnụ, ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu, onye ọma na oraifite, onye mgbasa ozi, ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu, onye manije eme ọnụ, ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana ga-adị, Ugochi tubelu ga-adị, Ugochi tubelu tempụ, ọ ya adị. Maka na eziokwu anwa m chacha, ndị oge dịga anyị front and back, ndị oche dị anyị front and back. Faja sikala aka ghọrọ ụmụ Igbo, si anyị rapụ nke anyị na nke fa ka mma. Bụrụ Baịbụl bịa, akwụkwọ akụkọ, mepekwa chọọchị fa, okpuru ụka dịkwa. Mana Ugochi tubelu ekweghị ekwe, Eze-Ana si na ọma mme, ọdịnala ọma nwụchacha. Oge ọbụla ọ na-eti, ọ nọ na nkụzi, Chukwu ọdị ama gbaa gị ume, ọdịnala ya dị. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu, onye ọma na oraifite, onye mgbasa ozi, ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu, onye manije eme ọnụ, ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'ihu. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu, onye ọma na oraifite, onye mgbasa ozi, ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'ihu.
Uruchi ọmanụ, ụmụ ọdịnala Igbo, aka bụkwa onye nke gị, Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu na oraifite. Oraifite dị na Anambra steeti. Abịakwa n'oge awa nke eziokwu, oge anyị ji agba eziokwu niile ọtọ, maka ndị ọpụta abụ izi ha na-esonyere m. Aha m bụ Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu oraifite. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala tempụ nke dị na oraifite na Anambra steeti. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi, nwekwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja n'ọdịnala Intercession ministry, bụrụkwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. You can call me an ọdịnala evangelist. Awansa. N'ụbọchị taa, n'oge awa nke eziokwu, ihe anyị ji bịa bụ ihe niile ị kwesịrị ịma, why some of your spiritual work fail. Ihe kpatara ụfọdụ ọrụ mmụọ ịlụrụ ji ghara ịga, and why some of your prayers fail, or why it look like they are not answered. Ya bụ isiokwu anyị. A sị na tata bụ ekenye ketara anyị ihe ọma ma kepụrụ anyị ihe ọjọọ. A sịkwazi na akakaka ya amaghị na jijiji ya amaghị. A sị na anyị ga-adị ndụ ka nka maka ndụ bụ isi akụ. A sị m onye echeche ihe ọjọọ ya eme anyị, ya mụọ nwunye. A sị na ife ọma ya emere anyị. A sịkwazi m onye sị na anyị ga-adị mma na onye a ga-adị mma. Onye sị na ya ma adị mma na onye a ma adịnata mma tiri ụwa gwụ. Anyị abịara n'oge awa nke eziokwu n'ụbọchị taa. Ekenego m ndị sonyere anyị nọ, ndị na-watch anyị viewers all over the world. What you will do is to share the link. That is what you can do for anybody. n'ụbọchị taata bụ bifo anyị gaa n'ihu na ihe anyị ji bịa n'ụbọchị taa ọkwa dị mkpa echefuna na aja anyị na-achụ kwa ọnwa nke ọnwa Ọktoba ga-ebidokwa Ọktoba 6 last kwa for 14 days kwụsị na Ọktoba 19 na ya bụ Ọktoba 19 a ga-achụkwa aja gbuo ebu mee saraka. Nke a bụ ihe kwesịrị ịma. Nke ọzọzi bụ echefuna na Ugochi tụrụ na temple na every Wednesday na-abụ counseling, as in anyị ji eme ọdịnala administration, oge anyị ji ekwubi okwu n'isi ndị mmadụ using ọdịnala method. Then Sundays na-abụ counseling. Sundays na-abụ counseling. So ụbọchị ọbụla ịdị ready ịchọrọ isonyere anyị mana ị ga-acha achị book appointment with me. Ka crowd ga anyị too much because I control people that I will be able to attend to. Nke ọzọ ọrụ mmụọ anyị na-alụ ma ọwa afọ anyị na-agba distance abụrụ ịbara ya. Ihe anyị na-edire bụ ihe gbasara details. You know why? Onye na-achọ ka o jee lụọ ọrụ ọjọọ n'isi gị does not need your presence, and you always share ya cast a spell on to that person, it will still go. Ma ọ bụrụ na onye ahụ nwee mmadụ ka esi eme mbara sụọ mba na nne, ọ bụ etu ahụ ka anyị ga-esi n'ọkwara temple wee rụọ ọrụ ngozi n'ebe ị nọ, no matter ebe ọ bụla ị nọ. Ebe ọ bụla ị nọ, as long as ị nọ under the influence of the sun, ebe ị nọ ikuku na-eri ya na ebe ị na-abụrụ ịbara ya, distance abụrụ ịbara ya na ọnụ mmụọ anyị na-alụ, ịghọtara ya. Na n'isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa n'ụbọchị taa bụ gịnị bụ prayer, gịnị bụ ọrụ mmụọ. Mma achọ ka m kọwalụ how things work for you to understand it very perfectly. Ihe m na-achọ ịkọwalụ gị na bụ eziokwu niile ka mma agwa gị, inwe ntị nụrụ ya. Is wrong. Enwere so many things na-eme ka aza mmadụ ekpere. Ayịyọ a sị na onye ji obi tiwara etiwa na obi gwepịara egwepịa bịa n'iru Chukwu, na Chukwu okike anaghị eneda ụdị obi na-etu anya. You must approach God with sense of humility and show mercy. A bro guy in America. So when you are approaching God Almighty, or you are approaching anything that concerns spirituality, you must be humble enough. Then ask with humility. Come out. And my one or to hear them in the war. Bụkwa ihe na-eme na in the spiritual realm. O nwere ka mmadụ ga-esi wee bịakwute gị ka ọ chaala gị mkpa ya, n'obi tiwara etiwa na obi gwepịara egwepịa. Ya bụ onye na-etu onye anwa si wee bịa the approach, na-etu onye anwa si wee wedo onwe ya na wee rịọ ga arịrịọ, nwere ike ime gị ka ị mere onye anwa ọgọ. Despite the fact that na onye ayọrọ datin, mana etu o si motu onwe ya na nwere ike ime gị ka ị change your mind. Despite the fact na nwere ike ọ bụrụ na ezigbo n'ime eme ya, mana obi umeanị ya, the approach matter. The approach matters. The thing why your prayers has not been answered is one. And when so many things when cause here, is either you use the wrong approach. Two, is either you moral case here. You are not humble enough. Now one do cobia. I told me we married. I said him or we married him. I want my 277 say. Your ega yota. Ask, it shall be given unto you. Seek, you shall find. So, ega chota. Knock, the door will open for you. Kwaka na de megere. I want you to take the lesson that is behind these three words. One, he must be ready. He must be ready to ask. Oh, come on, Ano. Seek for wisdom. Because our Ogbuefi, the ancient books, Hosea forces, my people are suffering because of ignorance, because of lack of knowledge and vision. These three things I just mentioned now is what you will get from seeking. Sure, you shall find. Make an effort. Make an effort. Then knock. You don't open for you. Still meaning that you must make an effort and leaving your comfort zone. Make an effort to go and knock. You must do something extraordinary to show that you are seriously in need of something. Because for you to leave your comfort zone to visit somebody in his house or her house and they make an effort to knock, it means that you came purposely for a visit to the person. Meaning that you must do something extraordinary. This over-cultivation of intellect and laziness that people of nowadays normally display, it shows ignorance and arrogance at the same time. Is it Yachi? Or is it the forces of nature? Is it the entities of powers? Is it Yaezuezu Kinemelempako? Imon or your chowa ofu? You must come down from the high horse. And all this while, I have been trying to let people know the importance of spiritual exercise. I keep hammering on this. Do you know why that spiritual exercise is important? It's very important because you getting yourself involved in spiritual exercise will help you to remove that laziness in you. It will help you to reawaken the arena you, that's the real you in you. You must leave that your comfort zone and forget about being lazy. again, you must be ready to do something extraordinary. The problem of people of nowadays, why your prayer fails, is this. Sometimes a misconception of how things work. You don't understand the principle of, example, if somebody comes and the person just throw money without showing that he's really sorry. Sometimes money is not everything. Example, if you are interested in, like let's say you are a man, you are interested in marrying a lady, but you are always full of yourself. You are not humble enough to show her that you really care, that you have so much respect for her, that you are willing to accept her decision to be with you for life. That if you come to her, approach her with the attitude that you are doing her a favor. Some ladies will say, go to hell with that your money. That they prefer drinking Gary than being insulted. Some of this kind of life is some of the attitude some of us used to exhibit during the approach. A bro guy in America, a guy, in our approach, imagine the attitude of I don't care. Mmiri, I was no can settle on. Why mmiri, I was not settle on. Una yoro one, one among them, one arm as I did me, why, Libya, one ego, settle her, then I one on them. I was in English settle Chonyo Wagi, Chonyo Wam, Libya, I was saying, and I may go away, settle Chonyo Wam, one day no settle no comes week. The attitude more okay, maybe last night I settled on the chair. Nego settled on the chair. Let me just rest, let them rest. That their attitude is not good enough. Because the chair and the children work and the limit can say, go to hell without your money. You know, what they need most from you is that alignment. I keep saying it. Not that your money. I keep telling people, even people now, Lord, if you are not willing, seeing this year as aligning you with the Andimiri, I'm not here to divide you and the Andot. What I'm doing is to align you in her. I'm not here to separate you. What I came to do is to align you and your children wagi wepo akomasi more wepo more other of ma that exists between you and your children. So why I'm asking this is this. Your attitude with your chi should not be, let me just say, no. You will show your children love. That you are too sorry for not recognizing him all this while. That you are so sorry. They want to get all this while. Oh, you will plead the way you are because they be so sorry. They mirror what is expected of you all this while. However, you are pleading with your children. So have mercy on you and accept your little effort. So, what do you think you are doing? For the fact that he did sacrifice and saraka for Yachi, therefore, you know, cook a bread in a meal. I watch all your Ogbuefi EZE-ANA. That email trash. If from your heart, yeah, saying to you, wage, nature, class don't set wrong, one set wrong. No, it should not be so. It should be, oh, Jonyo, I'm so sorry that I have not done this thing all this while. It's because I was not properly mentored. I was not properly thought of that. It's my own fault. I'm so sorry. Henceforth, I will see to it that we build cordial relationship. Yes, that is what he actually needs. Ogbuefi, what do you matter? So you want to na last 4 months, come with you mean nonsense. What is your good? So I show you. So the equal to the email, Ogbuefi will good. The important. Here the important one may align OBG where that devotion and what counts. He must believe in me. Only buruchi okuko. Mo onye even marry chi ordinary uri. Like ndị kpọtụrụ chi ha n'okpesi. Ọ bụrụ na ị nwere ego iji egbuchi ọkụkọ, ọ gwọrọ ofu uri nke ị nweta marry ya. Ọ ka value ye karịa onye ji egbuchi ya ewu. With that obi ilu. Agwa si na mgboro anụ ihe adịrị m mma ngwa egbo na nga anụ wee sara aka ngwa dezie oke m. Agwa si na ngwa ji oke m. What is silence? It's so bad. He must show you wage need sorry. And today, Nana Matadeka Wana Konyali, the henceforth that you will be doing the needful. You must show repentance. You must show readiness. You must show that over serious to keep doing good henceforth. You must show that you have determined to be doing the needful going forward. But if your attitude is just, I want to be non settled na ego settled ha. Uche abụrụ esetụrụcha ha echi ijewala ụka ọbịa. So that's your thought of let me settle you guys. Jewala ụka ọbịa is enough to crumble that your work. Is enough to make that your work not to go. Onye chi ịsaba ya saba, onye chi ịsakoro ya megide ya sakoro. You must make up your mind that you have decided to align with them. That's the secret. Your attitude should not be, and then maybe I was not settled on them. I walk years ago on them, I just settle on, I don't put your own one. Really? Okay, you thought that by so doing they will listen to you. They lose nothing. In fact, on the time by that singular attitude, believe in me, they might decide not to listen to you. So what am I saying? You must be ready to align. That is why governor na-agwa maka ịgba afa miri emi ka ịmalụ ebe ụta na-agba si abịa. Then maruzie ka ị ga-esi align ya wee yọọ ha mgba. Don't come to EZE-ANA and be telling me na igburu chi gị eburu ma ọ na igburu ewu. Therefore, na agara agbawado gị igwe nke iji bụrụ onye. You must be humble enough You must be humble enough. Each one money they get a hustle. Now you have that they draw the word D. But let them tamper just into mercy. They money you no car. They money me come. I want to ask a tower for my company. When we're gonna age of listening to now, it didn't matter about again. Appear out and fall like this every day. Because of negligence and the mekota. Why your prayer has not been answered is your attitude. It didn't merit a favor. The forces of nature, you don't even have favor. I'll tell you about no for your life. Because email me email. I want to decide there, email me personally. I can tell you, me Morike, Obadogi, me Morike, me Obadogi. Me Morike, Obadogi. So he was the email. You show them love. That leads you to go your man. Kimberly had no sorry. Your attitude to be church should not be I was not settled on. If I have a Ngwana, a quack moon even why I have a girls. No, that should not be the attitude. Even let me tell you, even your Dibia, your EZE-ANA, your spiritualist, does not have key to your success. What your Dibia or your EZE-ANA can do for you is to help you to beg. As you're asking, maybe you don't know how to ask. Or need community God or no, may more work do as well. Your spiritualist knows how to. Hey yo, can we get out of it? Letting voice, his own voice, calling his advice to join, to plead on your behalf. That is what Yadibia is doing in your work. Yadibia is not the person that is doing miracle for you. No, what Yadibia is doing is that, example, now and when entities of powers, the temple, I will see the teacher and the money, then the Polayolo, as well as Hanine, Diana Hana go on a temple. I will present your case before them and tell them, look, they find you as you became one problem. Their problem a big conu. Because of my sake, Kunu Nyaka, can we get it? Can I modify as you become there? I'm pleading. I'm lending voice to make sure that with my own influence, that justice will be done in their own case. That's what I'm doing. I'm not going to go fat. Any guy, what I can do, Luca. That's what I can marry Hojo. Near where Bata. Where Chapiet and Buffalo. My version of Marine no. Buffalo. Well, I look at Chineji. Or not while no. Onye agbataobi wee focusing if anyị nke ya na-akwagharị ịchọrọ ịba n'ụlọ bụ ụnụ ime ọ na-achọ ejigo ka inyekwazi n'ụlọ ụka imego ọtọdọ ọ maka nne gị ma ọ bụ nna gị iji gara ịba n'ụlọ nwatakịrị ewesịa anti ma ọ bụ onye dị etu a ya biko esi ọnụ ndị enyi ọnụ ma ọmị anyị ma ọ bụ dadị anyị na akwara dadị anyị ma ọ bụ ọmị anyị si m sụọrọ m asụrụ ya wee si na ya pemeta n'ọkụ ya ka anyị wee gbapụ ihe okenye anyị agwa gị ọkụ ịmara ihe imere adịrọ mma esi anyị sụga emesiri mụsị ọzọ o kwere gị aka jewe na agba ụnụ nne na nna gị wee ike fụ gị sị gị akwago n'ime eri nne ebe ata that day bụ nwa onye agbata obi gị anwa jizi gị aka wee nachidebe nna gị ewee nye nwanne na nna gị on your behalf pleading asking them please tamper justice with mercy na nwatakịrị a n'ihe o mere adịrọ mma mana n'idu gị ọdụ na ọma emezi ọzọ ikwezie ha mkpa on his behalf na ọma emezi ọzọ nne na nna nwere ike na-abazi ọkwago Ifeanyị ọkwago kedebe chi gị na neba anyị gba wee bịa aka m agbago osu taa. That is exactly what your spirituality is doing in your own case. Ma ọ bụ asịrị gị chọọ seek you shall find. As you are listening to my teaching, believe in me, you are seeking. Ị na-achọ data agbamihe anwa ka ị wee nwee nghọta zuru oke malụ ka esi eme nke. Maka you must be prudent, must be humble. You must in life. You seek that for that reason. What a credit that refuses to learn the language of his parents will blame himself or herself. In case I say, knock, the door will be open for you. If you are so humble and you are asking, for favor, and you're asking then maybe because of relationship that you have been bastardized, the relationship that you have you have built bad relationship with you and your friend because of maybe you did not do the right thing, you did not do this, you did not do that. Because of that, your friend, he is no longer happy with you. He will not even like to see you. It's your friend, already too close to that your friend, or your parents. What that your friend will do is, Oruo n'ụzọ kwụọ aka ajụ onye na-ekwu nyewa na onwe ya ekwu okwu n'ọnyanwa maka ihe na agbagha n'afa gị na ama enwere that door. Your friend yanwa that your friend is interceding on your case. That your friend ya ga-ekwu n'ọnyanwa onye emeghechi ụzọ onye emeghechi ụzọ afụzie that your friend na gị nwa na onwe gị. That your friend ya bịachie yọba eza nwa nwere oge mmadụ bịa Ogbuefi biko ihe ndụ ebe awụ maka onye a ndụ ebe na m nụ mechọrọ gị aja ọnụ nwe achọpụtago na o mechọrọ gị mana na onye wiki imewu approach o wee gbara m sị ka ndị uche ka abịa yọọ gị mgbaala. Enwere ike ọgwụgwọ n'audience na that I will not give you audience at all mana because of onye mere gị escort to my house. Eketu akọdị so ihe ya spiritualist ga-eme bụ present like ime escort na mmụọ present your case before the spirits on your behalf, plead on your behalf. Maka na example ọ bụrụ Igbo tu na onye a gwara azara akwụ mmadụ otu anyị bụ n'ụzọ ga na block through many things. So you need to go something that only ga-abịasa gị ahụ wear you a new clothes before you can be able to approach and be clean. So what am I saying? What I'm saying today is this. Why your prayers fail and why your spiritual work fails is because immoral case here. It's a good because you refuse to learn. Not the social media will that or majority of them no that one only that have already refused to learn. If I don't want or join our full group, and I accuse them one thing or another, before you know it was in the Abu Dhabi. You are deceiving yourself, you weren't the man now more. You must be mentored. Again, when you only have one knowledge, A and B. Understand by you. The experience. So I can deal with that. No change that you are doing because of experiences. Mane ka mo amateur ka na mo olu. So you go see pay good attention ke mo ta kesi emi na wife. Mane ye na social media today more than half, even among the cold ones, abaro sawu. Mpafa abro dibia. They did not learn if I email haja na social media na group nka omuta na group nka omuta group. But I ma check one some of these sisters na akuzi na group abro real. Some of the things I accuse I drop practically. That is 100% A to Z perfect. You follow your accuse they give accuse A and B or hide their C. More accuse you A and C, hide their B. Is either that or they better come back to you or her. So if you are relying on teaching on social media, my dear, you are safer from real ordinary. It's very ordinary. Just somebody, somebody that will mentor you. Impossible, not in your own village. Not your own village. You saw you know 2 men in a village. You were never again. Now, Muta, here this is a place you make it. So, what am I saying? What I'm saying is that all because the moral case here, you will get EJL go to the door properly mentored. You didn't make a see, you will all matter when I'm all. So the factors may appear as a fellow is either the person that now the all lacks just some experience. Or I go I drop prepared inwardly. You are a lolo, they are ordinary spiritually awakened. Because going on a lolo, they could be oku from your own end. You can have a walk, they could be oku. So if I thought need the serious nature can roll the nose of it. The man he came one. Ever I walk also older than 8 years. From your own end, you make mathematics fully okay. Even spiritually. The man on the other Peter. Then it says you okay. Then of course here the aspect of when you are road on. So move on. I want them money we call who fell. It's not Dibia. No, move on. Dibia. Move on. We call put it here to go. So, but what I can tell you is that all of Dibia were interceding on your behalf. Then it was the fulfillment of whatever that is you ask for, depending on here the nose again. Your connection with the entity support that follows you, depending on the spiritual attend that is holding you responsible. So some of these things must be settled. So only here because of your lifestyle. Only no mmekọta negative energy don't get too much. And the God that wasn't the matter. Here for the city for the Olu Jalo, for the only cover, so I don't know. So, instead of when you go to South, feed the cheer, Emano, Chibozo, it's South, you feed the chiggy, can't go at the right footing, where we can, you may call the whole again. You may ever say, no, God, who need it, now who need it, it's all kind of this, but I couldn't. It's not possible. I don't think my people call you of what I chapter coordinates. So sometimes Nemo Wagi can look at spiritual life for it. In our one boy for it was a spiritual life for it. No, to know that quite or no sonny. You got the show cower. Then it's a good old chihuahua. And to add no one deny but I'm not he go to the lawyer for what? He is in my boat, my own to those are several roads. Okay, what if he did children one, then we fail with those year all on doors. Be teacher. So, all here I take us and one make it look at a better go to one that temple. One all me with that, I'll for all doors. More check the short area, no caraga. Notaria. So we now get it stored. Now here but another say. So why all fail is that one, you must we don't go from if I happy to now go recharge. Okay, boy, cars all does not mean that you go back to your that old life that is very dirty. And when you get mala, yeah, then you see Abrona in our water when he does worthy to receive that number. That's your problem, definitely. So he gave a good one. He got this shot within you. Take time to build your spiritual strength, to back up whatever decision and prayer someone else is praying for you. He got to do his work. Then he also gave me if they show now he be impure life. Impure life, so the here may be the mad here. Some of your spiritual work that fail because of your life. Outside all more, he was you go and sleep, slept with Delilah. Yeah, spiritual Delilah, yes. Other working than one. The type of friend you are sleeping with can spoil your work. When you get, I was telling all more sour. You can make with that your friend, they are book around. Not to know. You not a quag. So, I know your problem. So, you have no time. You choke all over the family. If you don't imagine most of the first also are the clear. You work what can you open and you put all out. But negativity can block your blessing. Negativity can block your blessing. Don't worry, even a baby worker. You're not to team name abortion. You know, you use post not two. He had it. In a baby and you work an hour or more. Can you call his worker? I know who all got to non Nancy or opium in the regular winner. So you're not check while again. Overall nature can do good things to happen whenever you know. Why you are all more fell is because you have not done some of these things mentioned. Because you have very high you could set. I would go to what I created what time to equity part 2 years. You want you don't kuzia. But we don't really hold on about good you and what I need. What will nature is so and I giant to 1 October. Send them message in WhatsApp 0805 78 37 672 0805 78 37 672. Now, how to work at the premier here. Equal more constantly in there, so I know Gawa. So let there be vibration, let there be breakthrough, let there be upliftment. Didn't honor honey, that was a macabon where a horn or dog. The old negative you were John or Hannah had to work at the premier in there. Let the good things of life be restored in their lives. Now had to work at the premier in the area. As that distance, I'm aware by their S-Book, I'm aware by their didn't know that they don't live. None that influence of my voice. Receive blessing. Now had to go to the premier in the listen here. Like I say, well, I don't believe it. Huh? As a dog, I did to her. And she didn't go Friday by 8 p.m. Yeah, I can see him. I forgot to phone. Daalụnụ.